So in this question, we need to find out the value of x minus y plus z. Okay, so since this is an equal matrix, so we can write x plus y plus z is equals to 9. That will be the first equation. The second equation would be x plus z is equals to 5. And the fifth equation is y plus z is equals to 7. And we're going to number it. Let's call it equation number 1. We call it equation number 2. And this one is equation number 3. So what we do is first, let's subtract 2 from 1. So when we do that, what we get is x plus y plus z equals to 9. And we have x plus z is equals to 5. We do the subtraction. And x and x cancels out, y will remain, z and z will cancel out, 9 minus 5 will give you 4. So we have the value of y. Now, then we do 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3. So this would give us x plus y plus z is equals to 9, and we have y plus z equals to 7. So we do the subtraction, so that will leave us with x, y plus z, will cancel out y plus z, so we'll have 9 minus 7, which is equals to 2. So we have x, value of x as well. And we plug this value into equation number 2, and that will give us the value of z. So equation number 2 gives us 2 plus z is equals to 5. So we have z is equals to 5 minus 2, and the value will be 3. So now we have all the three values. So let's find out what's the value of x minus y plus z. So this will be x is 2, negative 4 plus 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So that is the value of x minus y plus z. Let's go to the next one. In this question, we're given two matrices and they're multiplied to each other. So we have to find out what is the order of the matrix. So we know the matrix 1, 2, and 3, the column matrix 1, 2, and 3. So the order of this matrix is 3 cross 1. And this is getting multiplied to a row matrix 2, 3, 4. And the order of this matrix is it's 1 by 3. So when it gets multiplied, all we have to check is the column of the first matrix must be equal to the row of the second matrix. If they are equal, then the matrix multiplication is possible, and the new matrix that will be formed after multiplication will be having the order such that the row will be equal to the row of the first column and the column will be equal to the column of the second matrix. So the matrix will have an order 3 by 3. So that is the answer. Let's go to the next question. Now, if a matrix has 5 elements, then write all the possible orders it can have. So it has 5 elements. So the possible order will be either it could be 1 cross 5, that means it has 1 row with 5 columns, or it could have 5 rows and 1 columns. That's the only possibility for this one. Well, the matrix will be a row matrix. So we have A11, A12, A13, A14, A15. This will be a row matrix. And then we'll have a column matrix for this particular case, and that will look something like A11, A21, A31, A41, and A51. Extend the parentheses. So this will be the two matrices. So there are two possible matrices that are possible. Let's go to the next one. So we're given a matrix Those elements are given by this particular form. Aij is equals to I over j. And it's a 2 by 2 matrix using this information. So this is not 2, 3. So there's a typo here. So let me call it A12. So we have to find out the value of A12. So A12. So that means ith value is 1 and the jth value is 2. So that is the value of A12 half. So here we're given a matrix equation. Using this information, we have to find the value of y. So since this is a 2 by 2 matrix, so each of the elements will be equal. So first element x is equals to 3. Then we have x minus y is equals to 1. And we do not need to write down the other two values. That's because we are only asked to find out the value of y. Since we already know what's x, that's 3. Let's plug it into this second equation. So this is 3 minus y is equals to 1. Then negative y is equals to 1 minus 3, which is negative 2. Then we multiply each sides by negative 1, so that will give us y equals to 2. So that is the answer. That's it.